Wow.
Now this is the reason why it was so expensive. These were like $15 or $16 for only a 3-pack, but we love Toblerone and we had to get it because I'm like, if this tastes like it, then it's worth it. But if it doesn't,
Go bite that.
it tastes exactly like it.
Oh, very good. Oh, my favorite. Ew, never mind.
This is the best one. A 10. We're trying the little mini fruit ice cream. It takes a little while to like taste it.
Not bad. I like that one.
Let's try the grape and then he has the peach.
Not bad.
Cold.
Honestly, pretty good. That's probably my favorite, honestly.
The inside is really good. It was worth the $55 that Toblerone made up for it, so I'm not mad about it. Okay, bye guys.